Hey everyone, I'm Selena and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm super excited to dive into the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL Air Fryer, a kitchen rock star that's ready to make your meals crispy and delicious with less oil. If you're looking for a versatile air fryer to simplify cooking, this one's a winner. Let's check it out. First, the features. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL is a 6-quart 7-in-1 appliance that air fries, bakes, roasts, broils, reheats, dehydrates, and has a rotisserie function. Its square basket fits a 4-pound chicken or a batch of fries for the family. EvenCrisp technology delivers crispy results with up to 95% less oil, perfect for healthier meals. The ClearCook window lets you monitor food without opening the basket, and the digital touchscreen has one-touch presets for easy cooking. It heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, and the basket and tray are dishwasher-safe. The Instant Pot app offers recipe ideas to spark your creativity. Now, pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The 7-in-1 versatility replaces multiple appliances, saving space. It cooks fast, fries in under 20 minutes, and the ClearCook window is a game changer for checking progress. The large capacity is great for families, and cleanup is a breeze. On the downside, it's bulky, so you'll need counter space. The preheat cycle feels unnecessary for some foods, and the rotisserie can be tricky for larger cuts. Some users report uneven toasting, so you might need to experiment with settings. Who's this for? If you're a busy home cook, love crispy foods, or want one appliance for air frying, roasting, or dehydrating, the Vortex Plus XL is perfect. It's ideal for families or anyone craving healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL Air Fryer at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing waiting. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.